Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Reporter plugin on a Redmine that is installed on a Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest version of the Reporter plugin. In our case, it is 2.0.12 Pro. Please make a note that the Reporter plugin has only Pro version. There is no Lite free version of it. So the only way to download it is via your license manager. Okay, so when you have the zip file, the very first thing is that you have to unzip it or extract it here. And then very important thing is that you have to go into the inner folder of this. So you have to copy this Redmine/reporter. Click on copy, and then you have to go into your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5.0. Then you have to search for the plugins folder and just paste it there. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to open your command line, and here you have to execute bundle install. This command is going to install the required gems for your plugin. The next command is to run the migration. So the migration is done and is going to be done, and the important thing here is in the name section you have to set the name of the plugin you are trying to install. In our case it is the Redmine/reporter. Please have a note that these are just warnings for developers, so there is no problem and nothing is going to harm the work of the plugin. Just a warning for developers. So we see that the migration is now done, and the very latest thing that we have to do is to just restart our Redmine. Okay, so let's go back into the Redmine and double check and see if the Reporter plugin is installed successfully. So when we refresh the page, then it will take a couple of seconds because this is just a process for restarting, and we see that the restart is done. The resources plugin is appearing here on our Redmine. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.